backyard. This is my backyard.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me.
Yeah, that's what it looks like while cooking. Make sure it's nice and crisp. And then your bacon will be done. Go tickle around, like, if you're doing like so much, like I did 4 roast bacon, more bacon like this one. So, because the connectors, so I put all those in. It tastes really good, nice and crisp. You could use salt, and if you wanted to, you could use pepper. It means you have to lose pepper. So I just add a little bit of pepper, and now Dad's gonna rate Papa Chef. Gonna rate the bacon. Everyone go for like in the middle because the rest are hot.
Watch out, Tay. Back up.
Ooh.
Fresh bacon.
What do you rate it? Add a little pepper on there.
1 out of 10, son.
Yes! Yes!
Regular bacon.
Yes! Yeah, let's go! That's the end. Bye, guys!
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah! Yay! Josiah Little for inspiring me. Thank you.